Overall, drug overdoses now kill more people than guns or car accidents, and at a much faster pace than the HIV epidemic was at when it was at its peak, according to the Congressional Digest. First off, we will start with talking about the pros to examining the opioid crisis further and beginning the database. The first pro is obvious: less opioid-related deaths, less overdoses, less detoxing babies. The next large pro would be increased awareness about just how quickly this epidemic is killing people and tearing apart families. Imagine seeing the number if it was on one of those billboards, just like the car accidents, and watching the number change momentarily as you were sitting at a stoplight or something like that. And that would touch someone. That would make someone think about it a little bit more and what their part in it could be. Lastly, knowing just how big the issue is gives people the power to research and to join in to help fund programs to make this issue better, or at least be able to tell people who are having this issue and steer them in the right direction. The cons are with the database because if someone goes into the hospital for an overdose and it was like in a public area and then the number switches quickly after, people may assume that that was that person, which the family could perceive as violating their privacy. Some people may also be more sensitive to seeing this type of information just splattered everywhere because it's affected them personally. Lastly, the database could be inaccurate because we all know technology is not always 100% correct, but overall, there are definitely more convincing pros than cons to this database and overall just researching the opioid epidemic a little bit more.